Hey everybody. Today I want to chat about something that might just change the way you look at, well, everything. So we're diving into this incredibly cool idea. It's really from a quote that I don't actually remember who originally said it, but Ram Dass had said it at one point. And he said, when you look for God, all you see is God. And I had to think about that for a while. I was like, wow, really? So now stick with me here. It's like suddenly seeing the world in high definition. So all you see is God. Now, everything pops, everything's connected, and everything is divine. It's about finding the sacred sparkle in the everyday. Okay, so ready to get your mind blown? Let's roll. So, in Hinduism, they talk about Brahman, right? Brahman being the ultimate reality when you merge with Brahman, Brahman being God. This isn't just a distant deity chilling in the heavens. Brahman is the ultimate reality, the cosmic soup where everything simmers. You, me, the annoying squirrel in the backyard, all of it. But let's be real, most of the time we're too caught up in Netflix, Amazon, or stressing over a work email to notice the divine in your daily life at all. So here's where it gets wild. I mean, imagine your life as a giant jigsaw puzzle. Normally, you're focused on finding pieces that fit your immediate picture, career, relationships, weekend plans, whatever is next to appease you. But what if I told you that every single puzzle piece, even the ones that kind of look weird or out of place, were infused with a bit of the divine? Yeah, we're talking about God in the details, in the mishaps, and even in the Monday mornings. So how do we start to see the divine in this jigsaw? First off, it's all about tuning in. So you kind of have to shift your frequency from the what's in it for me situation to the holy moly, it's all connected wavelength. This isn't about sitting cross-legged on a mountaintop for years. Oh, hey, I mean, if that's your jam, go for it. But it's about sprinkling sacredness into your daily doings. Like when you're sipping your coffee, take a moment to really taste it, feel it, and see the divine brew served up by the universe. And it's not just about turning the good stuff into a spiritual experience. It's also about seeing the divine, screenplay in all the plot twists of your life. Lost your keys again? Maybe it's a cosmic nudge to slow down and really look, not just for the keys, but for the magic in the moment of searching. Every frustration, every joy, it's part of this incredible divine narrative that we're living through. I mean, one of my great teachers, Ram Dass, said, where's the suffering? I want it. That's where the best teaching is. That's where I can see God the most. Pretty crazy concept, but the further you get into this, the more you'll realize it. So think of it like a cosmic Easter egg or Easter eggs hidden all around you. I mean, they're waiting to be discovered. So the more you look for them, the more you find them, until suddenly you're seeing the world not just in HD, but in DD, divine definition. It's about recognizing that every interaction, every challenge, and every seemingly mundane moment is pulsing with a potential magic. And it is. Just look. Look harder if you can't. Look, it's there. So, all right. I challenge you, start looking for those cosmic Easter eggs. Like, let's make a game out of it. Find the divine small stuff, the tough stuff, and yes, even the stuff we usually take for granted. So transform your world into a divine playground. And why don't we marvel together at the beauty of the cosmic jigsaw? Anyway, I hope that makes sense. When you look for God, all you see is God. Anyway, thanks guys. Take care.